Hi, guys. Hi, Matthew. How old are you? Are you one? One? And Emma? It's May 15th. You just turned one. You guys are having a lunch date? What are you eating? Is it good? Mmm. Okay, now touch your head. Good, Matthew.
Touch your head.
And what does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? Ruff, ruff. That was a big burp. What other tricks do we have, guys? Matthew, you've got a lot of tricks. Emma doesn't have that many. Can you blow a kiss?
Make nice, Matthew. Make nice, Matthew. Oh, you're talking on the phone. Hi, Matthew. Hi. Push them together. Let me get that thing out of the way so you see.
How's that milky? Is it good? Like your shoes, Matthew. Oh, well, that's one way to drink. Just chug it. Chug, chug, chug. Drink your milk. Good job. Very good. You think it's funny? Drink your milk. All right, wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye, Aunt Jessie.
She's not leaving.
Oh, thank you. I love you.